Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project, or welcome if it's your first time here. Today, in honor of St. Patrick's Day, I'm going to be teaching you the Irish reel called the Humors of Tulla. As always, if you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below. And if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I post videos just like this one each and every week, so consider hitting that red subscribe button below along with the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my next video. I'll leave the timestamps of this video listed in the description box below if you'd like to skip around, and you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. And for the extended edition of this video where I show you how to add cool Irish ornaments into this tune, head on over to my Patreon page or become a member of the Tune Project here on YouTube. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. Alright, so for this tune we're in the key of D major and it is a reel, so we're in 4/4 time. And this first phrase goes like this. Okay, ending there on a C sharp, and this next phrase goes like this. Okay, so toward the end of that second phrase we had a little triplet. So be sure to catch that rhythm there with your bow. And this tune is pretty short, so that was actually the whole A section, but it does repeat. And for the second ending, instead of coming down to an E at the end, we go up to a G natural. And this is what the whole phrase sounds like with the second ending. And now getting into this B part, we're going to start on our third finger A on the E string. And this first phrase goes like this. Ending on a low second finger G there. For the next phrase, we start on an A once again, still on the E string. And then just like with the A part, we do have a different ending the second time around. And the second time we come down to an E, just an open E there at the end. And from there you can choose to go back to the beginning of the tune and repeat the whole thing. But here is just the B section with the second ending. So that was the whole tune, pretty short and sweet as I mentioned, but now that you've learned all of the notes and rhythms, let's go ahead and play it together from the very beginning, and we will take repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. Congratulations of learning the Humors of Tulla with me today. As I said, if you're interested in adding some fun ornaments in there, go ahead and check out my Patreon page for the extended edition, or become a member here on the Tune Project on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy practicing!